Morning, everybody.
Yep.
All set up in here. We're ready to go. Let's go find some cows. Oh, it's nice and chilly this morning. It's gone down to about 3 degrees. Not quite frost level. We are hoping for a frost to help us kill off some maize that's growing in the young grass paddocks, but that's alright. Coming, Aaron? Alright, let's go find some cows. They're not too far away, they're only just at the paddock straight ahead down here. Let's get to it. I honestly thought I'd have you girls out of the paddock by now. But you know, they know they don't have to walk too far, so they don't really want to get out the paddock. Come on, girls, come on, not even a bit, come on. Morning, Dan!
Morning, Carl!
How are you this morning?
Not quite as good as you. Getting a couple of rows out.
Yeah, you just cut up the first five.
Getting good bosses.
Oh yeah. The girls are here now, ready to go. It's nice and chilly this morning. Slight fog, not too bad though. Not a bad fog. Right, let's get to it.
Looking away here and I look at this fella and he's got two bloody hats on.
It's cold!
Lucky for some.
Well, the plan was to just push the girls up so they could do this. But they pushed right up so that they're behind the backing gate now. In front of the backing gate, sorry. So I can still do this. Oh yeah, Dad. Oh, what's this? What's this big mark on your back? Is this cow pee on you?
Pissed on me.
You peed all over him. I better not speak too soon, I can get shat on. Right. Wash up again.
Hopefully the power stays on.
Oh, we should be alright now. If the power stays, even if the power turns off now, at least these girls will milk out somewhat. Yep, we'll wash those cups now and we'll drop these cheddars down. Good to see the limpy population decreasing, eh, Dad? Alright, last row headed out now. We'll put this wash through and then, hey, 79, good doing it. Put this wash through and then we'll go chop some maize. 2 loads of maize today, because that'll be it. That's the maize all out. What's your guess for today, Dad?
48. 48.68.
I'll say 48.32. So we're only 30 litres out from each other. I've gone lower, Dad's gone higher. See what we said. We got a full load today, Arrow. Bye-bye. Yeah. We made it. Right, let's go and feed out to these cows. Got a good load. Looks good. Not too big, just 4 runs. 4 girls, come and get it. Second to last load of maize. Yeah, the girls are happy, they've got their maize. The last little bit going out here. That'll do. Right. We'll pick up a silage bale. Come on. We'll leave it down because we're going to actually come through again and go feed out a bale of silage in here for today. Because there wasn't quite enough maize for 2 full days, but there was enough for 1 full and 1 pity day, so we just split it in half and give them a silage bale on top of it. So don't worry girls, we'll be back with a silage bale for you on the bale feeder. Let's go. Yeah, 1 row left. And that's it. Now maize is all chopped out for this season. Back at that last run. I think we'll just leave those last parts standing. The only reason why I didn't get those ones is because the maize chopper slid off to the left. I had no choice to. Well, let's grab the silage bale, chuck it on, and get on out of here. Alright, that's us all loaded up. Oh, bang brake on. We're going to take the long way out. I wouldn't go that way. Not again. Thought it was smart to go that way. It's quite soft. Right, let's go. All done. We're going to take her up, give her a good clean and a wash, then put her away till next year. Dad said he might take her in there. So. Stop, turn off diff lock, take her up a little bit, forward. Because every time I've exited the paddock with diff lock on, I've ripped up the race. The diff lock gets her going 6% faster on the front wheels, I think Dad was telling me. Alright, let's go. Right, we're off to go down and load up with 2 bales of silage, 1 bale of silage feed out, then 2 bales of silage for tonight. Dad said he's going to wash her up, but he's going to wash her up. Go pretty easy. Open that bale up. Open that bale up, those two for tonight. Got the other bale over here. This is a bale that has a bit of rushes in it. Not too much rushes, but we'll feed the one with the rushes in it to the girls now. And that's why that bale over there is first going to be on her first tonight, because that's got less rushes than that one. The squishy's going to taste better than the rushy bale. And yep, you saw that. It's getting pretty full. We're going to have to call them in to come pick it up one day. Soon. And get a new bag. You guys are silly. Look how much grass you've got. I think they'll follow thinking they're going to get the silage. No, that's for tonight. No, this is your silage for tonight. This bale on the front and my squishy bale on the back. We'll head up the front and see how Dad's going up there. See how he's going. Go with the maize chopper. Made it back just in time to see Dad getting grief from these cows trying to follow him out of the paddock. He's washed her up nicely. Ooh, shiny. Dad just wants to put her in here temporarily. Just wants to tighten up these chains here. Just fair enough. Before we put her away and give her a good oil up once we've tightened those chains up.
Need to dry out anyway for a few days before we oil up.
That's right, let her dry out first. It's good.
Still sharp. Still would hurt if you put your fingers in it.
Yeah, a bit.
But we'll sharpen them. Yeah.
Yep. It's nice and sharp, ready to go when we put her away.
Yep.
Awesome. Remember your wires. Remember your wires. That'll do. Yeti. She's off. She's going to take video shaft off. Well, disconnected. That's her done for another year. We'll be looking at tightening those chains up, giving her a good grease up, chucking some grease through her, and then chucking her back into her, down the farm in the big shed. Dad's going to take the bale grabs off. Disconnected. Let's see what we get up to today. Parking a tractor away. I just had to move the trailer so the tractor could go in there. About the sudden departure, everybody. I went and picked up the ute. Me and Dad went and got a few other essential supplies. We got some prices for some course back there. So, yeah, all good. Well, sort of looking at locking in our corn bag earlier. I'm going to talk to Dad, see what he thinks about these pricings. And yeah, as Dad said, it was too cold for bloody cold this morning. It was only about 14-15 degrees at the moment, so it's still chilly. I'm just washing the van at the moment. What did we see today? Dad's guess, I believe, was 46.80. My guess was 48.60, and my guess was 48.30. Today it was 46.39, so we're off by 200 litres. Not too bad. The girls still did pretty well. It's still at about 11%. That's still, hopefully, about 500 solids. Won't be far off. So, just washing the van at the moment. Doing a bit of a bomb wash. So, just putting the apron up Dad's end here, or up this end here, ready for when he comes in. Just finished washing up, finished washing the van. All done, and the girls have just started coming onto this last straight. They're nice and close in the morning. They're just over there again, behind the hedge. They get the second half of that paddock. And then again tomorrow, they get that same paddock, the second half of that paddock tomorrow. So, it's great. Woo. Nice and warm. Big maize chopper sitting over there, ready for us. We're trying to find the manual we'll have to print off a manual for ourselves of the Tarp two-row chopper head. So, that's all good. So we got 2 days left of twice a day milking. So tonight, tomorrow, and then that's it. We are going to once a day. And then we'll go once a day probably for another 10 days possibly. And then we'll see how the girls go. We'll be looking at girls that self-dry themselves off, and also girls that we're going to start drying off. We won't dry them off individually. We'll just blanket dry them all off and take out the ones that are going to the sale yard, set them up for one of those days. Well, here's the first girl. Let's get to it. This big white one here, ooh, she wanted in front of that jersey because that's her skid marks there. Pushing hard to get through. Oh girls, just a smidgen up here, just a smidgen. Come on. Shh. Oh, fine, don't move. Beautiful afternoon, isn't it, Dad? Just got the cows in, that's the third row going out, but he did wind up that reel and the reel down where the cows were. So, cracker of an afternoon. Yep. Spring them in slow, not too fast. It's warm now. Whew. Quite nice. Good grass growing weather. Just washing up. And then I'll put these on. And are you eating meal there? It's like someone just pulled the damn cord there. Yes, he did. See? Oh. He doesn't think it might be. No. Dad should get lots of hill. I don't think she minds. Yeah, she didn't mind, Dad. She didn't mind. She's like, oh, don't mind if I do. Overflow it. It's going to be there for a while.
Like and subscribe. We'll see you in the morning.
Awesome. Thank you. Right, we're off to go feed out. Me and Arrow, or Arrow and I will go feed out. All washed up. Good. Let's go. Dad's pushing out his little friendly cow.
No, come on. It's time for you to go. Had a good innings.
Had a good meal. Good feed.
Off you go.
Just here. Oh, goes the other way. Perfect. With that, I'll see you all in the morning. Thank you.